This is face. 皆さん、こんにちは。元気ですか？ Today's topic is Emoticons. Do you know what this is? This means face, eyes, and a mouth. So this emoticon means smile, fun, happy. This emoticon, this is face, this is eyes, and a mouth. This means like I'm in trouble, I'm in hurry, I'm busy. This emoticon means face, eyes, and these are hands, like this. This means I'm sorry, すみません, thank you very much, ありがとうございます. This is face, these are eyes, and the mouth. And these lines means like I'm moving, I can't stop. And this emoticon means I get into a panic and I don't know what to do. Do you know what this is? This is face line. Face line. And these are eyes. And this is a mouth. So this face is like relaxed smile. This is face line. And these are eyes. And this is also a mouth. And this mouth looks like a cat's mouth. So this emoticon is really cute. かわいい. Face line, eyes, a mouth, cat mouth, and this is an eyebrow. And do you know what this is? This is a hand. So this emoticon means like, hey, please wait for me or listen to me. What face do you see? Face line. This is eyes, and the mouth. And these are tears. So this emoticon means I'm crying, I'm sad. How was today's lesson? Now I'm gonna give you one quiz. What does this emoticon mean? Please write your answers. Bye bye. 皆さん、こんにちは。